And moving on, here is what happens when students turn tables to teach a lesson to their principal. Bunking classes and shouting slogans in front of their college, they ask their principal to correct his mistakes. Here's the report. This was the scene in front of one of the better-known colleges in the city. These are the students of Seshadripuram College who were seen staging a protest in front of their own college. The students, who were backed by student organizations, had bunked their classes to protest against their college principal, Dr. M. Prakash. It is alleged that he misused the power he holds as the secretariat in the COMEDK panel. He has been in this position for the past 10 years. It is alleged that Prakash accepted money from two of the students who wanted seat in the MBA and BSc course. Not just that, it is said that Prakash had also made arrangements to get them KMAT exam papers card even though they hadn't written the exam. This is said to be the sole reason that has driven the students to stage a protest.
MCA exam ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ KMAT ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇವರು ಯಾದ ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಪುರಂ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ MBA ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅವರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ಸೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 20,000, ಎರಡು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ರೆ 10,000 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸೆಷನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಹಣ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು BA BSc ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಹಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ BCom ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ BA BSc ಕೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಮತ್ತೆ
The allegations do not end here. It is said that Prakash charges as much as 10,000 to 20,000 rupees to allot seats. It is also alleged that since students are willing to pay the steep fees for BCom course, he is planning to stop the BA and BSc courses as he can't make as much money as he does through BCom. But Prakash has lashed back at the students, denying all the allegations made against him. Calling the allegations baseless, he added that if found guilty, he is ready to resign from his position.
ನಾನು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾನನಷ್ಟ ಮೊಕದ್ದಮೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಕೆಲಸ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೌದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟು ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
However, the students are urging their principal to accept his mistakes and take necessary measures to correct them. Pemmaya Malayanda, News 9, Bengaluru.